Seven weird but highly profitable remote jobs in 2025. How to find seven weird but highly profitable remote jobs? I will discuss about that. Hey, freelancer and future digital nomads, welcome back to Global Freelancer Academy. Now, when you think of remote jobs, you probably think of the usual suspects: virtual assistant, content writers, social media manager. But here is the twist in 2025. There are some seriously weird yet crazy profitable remote jobs out here. I am talking about jobs that makes your relatives go, wait, people get paid for that. So today I am revealing seven weird but highly profitable remote jobs you can start this year. And yes, there are whale jobs, not something I made up after too much coffee. What are the seven weird jobs? Let's discuss about that. Digital voice cloner, number one. Number two, metaverse tour guide. Number three, all AI prompt engineer for a small business. Number four, digital wardrobe curator. Number five, ASMR sound designer. Very interesting this one. Emoji translator for brands. Digital declutter course. Let's discuss about each of these one. Number one, weird jobs. What is this? Digital voice cloner. You know, most of the advertisement are used by these types of voice cloner. Sometimes you can hear the voice of Amitabh Bachchan or any influencer, but really they are not present there. What is this? Companies now need AI voice trainer for ads, videos, audiobooks, and they pay people to record scripts so AI can replicate your voice. Why profitable? Voice licensing can pay $300 to $3,000 per project. Can you imagine? Some freelancers make royalties whenever their AI voice is used. How to start? Check sites like resume.ai, logo.ai, or even freelance marketplace with voice gigs or voice projects. Number two, what is number two? Metaverse tour guide. Very interesting. What is this? Virtual world like Roblox, Decentraland, and Horizon worlds need guides to help new user navigate digital cities. When you are a new one in this world, most of the sites you cannot understand. So the professional or even you, when you will be a professional, you can take help from these types of guide. Why profitable? Average rates 25 to $100 per hour for events, onboarding tours, or VIP experiences. How to start? Join metaverse communities. You can join metaverse community. Offer your service to virtual real estate owners, or use platform like Upwork targeting metaverse projects. Then we will discuss about number three, AI prompt engineer. Probably most of you freelancer are prompt engineer. Every day you write prompt from AI like ChatGPT, Copilot, and any other these types of site. What is this? Helping local businesses write perfect AI prompt. So tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney give you marketing content, designs, or automation. Why profitable? Freelancer charge 50 to $200 per hour because this skill is new and in demand. How to start? Learn prompt engineering via free YouTube tutorials, join AI Facebook groups, pitch to a small business like this. Humor. How can you get humor? You are basically an AI whisper, like a horse whisper, but for robots. Number four, let's go. Digital wardrobe curator. Especially if influencer needs this. What is this? Helping influencer and Professionals pick outfits for Zoom calls, photo shoots, or even avatars in games. Why profitable? Some stylists can earn $500 per project or monthly retainers from clients. How to start? Create a portfolio on Instagram, offer mini styling package or on Fiverr, or target LinkedIn professionals. You can easily get job from there. Okay. Now, very interesting, ASMR sound designer. Most of the YouTube professional or TikTok meditation pay apps or even game studios need sometimes of sound like tapping, crunching, purring, whispering. These types of sound they need. You have to learn this making these types of sound, and you can get it from YouTube video or any other way you can get it. Why profitable? Rates can be 30 to $150 per hour. Viral ASMR. What is ASMR? Autonomous sensory meridian response. You can learn it from ChatGPT or YouTube videos. You will get it. And ask ChatGPT, what is this? Then you will learn it very easily. Number 6, digital declutter course. What is this? Very interesting. Helping clients clean up messy inboxes, organize files, and automate tasks. Most of the professionals do not have too much time to clear their inboxes of emails or inboxes of social media. Then they hire these types of digital declutter course. His duty is to clean and organize his social media and his these types of any media where he works. Number 7, emoji translator for brands. What is this? Advising brands on how to use emojis for different cultures so their social media doesn't accidentally send the wrong message. I think you understand this. Why profitable? Social media consulting rates 50 to $200 per hour. This is not less income. This is very high income if you are professional. How to start? Learn about emoji culture, meaning peace to agencies and global brands. Let's go. So there you go. 7 weird but highly profitable remote jobs in 2025. Probably you have understood and you are familiar now these types of job. Remember, the online job market is changing fast. If you are willing to step outside the normal freelancing box, you could land opportunities where competitions is low but payout are high. Question for you: when or which one of these jobs would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one and I will suggest you. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to Global Freelancer Academy, and hit the bell so you never miss future freelancing tips. Thank you for watching our video, and you are invited to see the next video.